Step 1. Identify the package criteria. Step 2. Prepare two samples, one with loosely packed and one with closely packed. For loosely packed, no paper was added and no tape was used to fix the position of bottles. Step 3. Set up the height that package should be dropped from by referring to the weight of the package. Step 4. Attach 3-axis accelerometer onto the product surface that contained in the package before dropping off the package. Step 5. Drop the package in the following order. Step 6. Open the package and inspect for damage after through drop test.
Betul. Finishing. Okey je.
Dia lepas lah.
Lepas. Okay. Discussion, there are two samples that will be evaluated. First, sample A that are arranged closely packed in a box, and sample B that are arranged loosely packed in a box. We completed the experiment. Based on our observation, drop test result for sample A is pass, as there was no damage or leakage to the bulb as well as the bottles inside the box. While for the sample B, the drop test result is pending since packaging is damaged due to several high acceleration impacts to the box, but the product inside the box remains intact.